pickup to take a look at it. Unique, especially in classics. 1966 Chevrolet C10 Custom. Regular cab, long box. Underneath the hood, 350 V8 power that is paired up with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has obviously had a restoration done to it. The frame has been sandblasted and DP90'd. Nut and bolt restoration according to previous ownership. 350 was rebuilt and installed, and the miles are accurate from the time that the engine was installed in this. We'll get around to that. I believe it was a little less than 1,700 miles since the engine was rebuilt and put in it. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Let you get a good close look at the grille, headlight surrounds. Chrome's good on it. Paint, you can see a few blemishes here and there in the hood if I can get them to show up. So is it perfect? No, but does it show extremely nice? Yes. Be a great one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Take a look up and down the length of this truck. You can see appears to be nice and straight. Take a look at the lower doors, and you'll be able to see the undersides of the doors in the still pictures. Cab corners look good. FYI, you'll notice in the pictures too, there is a CD changer that has been installed underneath the seat there. Gray vinyl bench seat. And again, we'll check that out a little closer when we get around to the driver's side. New wood, stainless, installed in the bed of this. And also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Also be a folder of receipts that will go with this from components, parts that were bought for it. And again, those still pictures, check out the underside. Beautiful underneath there. Like I said, you can tell the frame's been blasted. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. All right, take a look up and down. Driver's side, again, can see nice and straight. Bright work looks good on this one. Around the wheel wells, lower portion of the driver's side also. Cab corners look good. Let's take a look at this interior. All right. Finished off as nicely on the inside as is the outside. You can see the carpeting without the floor mats in the still pictures. We'll start this up, let you hear it run here in a second too. Sounds like it's got a little bit of a cam when it was rebuilt. And as you can see, cab finished off nicely. All right. There's the miles, a little over 1,700 since, like I said, that motor was installed and redone. 1782. And as you can hear, radio is working. Here the gauges are also in working order. I did have the wipers working earlier. Blower fan works. That was all replaced when this was restored. Heater hoses are intact. Top of the dash also in nice shape. No weather checking, fading, anything like that. Sun visors are in place. As you can hear, sounds like we have a little bit of a cam to it. Slip around back so you hear it run. Good sounding truck. Won't be afraid to jump in this one and go. One thing I do want to mention is sometimes these, I would call this kind of a turquoise, and right there is pretty close to what the actual color is in person. Sometimes the turquoises come off just a little bit more blue on the pictures in the video, FYI, but it's pretty darn close on this one. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood. Let's check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Wow, just as nice under here as it is on the exterior. As you can see, headers installed on this one. Nice, tidy, clean engine bay. And that's what the underside of this truck looks like too. So check out those still pictures. As you can see, heater hose is hooked up, blower fan all there in working order. Sounds good, no doubt about that. There you are, 1966 Chevrolet C10 regular cab long box. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call every email.